Tony Barrett. Senator Ted Cruz, a member of the Senate Judiciary Committee, joins me now with more. Good evening, Senator Cruz.
Good evening, Judge. Great to join you.
Good evening. Great to have you with us, and I see your book is up there, one vote away, which obviously is prescient given where we are today. Look, right now the economy and COVID seem to be at the top of the list of people and their concerns as it relates to this election. However, I suspect that on Monday, when the confirmation hearings begin with Amy Coney Barrett, people will start to recognize the importance of the Supreme Court and the fact that both Biden and Harris are refusing to answer the question, will you pack the Supreme Court? Can you please tell my viewers what the significance of packing the Supreme Court is, aside from the arrogance of thinking you don't have to answer the question?
Well, both Biden and Harris are refusing to answer it. Kamala, Vice President Pence asked her 4 times. She refused to answer it. Today, Joe Biden said the voters don't deserve to know an answer. And the reason they're doing this is because the answer is yes. Their party, the Democratic Party, is captive to the hard left of the party. They intend to pack the court, which would politicize it, would destroy its independence. It's something FDR, at the height of his power, tried to do in his own party. The Democratic Party said no, it would destroy the court. And I'll tell you, Judge, that's actually why I wrote the book, One Vote Away. I wrote it this summer, obviously didn't know we'd have a Supreme Court vacancy in October. But the reason I wrote it is because I think the single most important issue on the ballot on Election Day is the Supreme Court. And what the book does is it takes readers inside, behind the curtain of the court. Before I was in the Senate, I was a Supreme Court litigator. What I did for a living was argue cases at the Supreme Court. And the book takes you behind the scenes on the big landmark cases. Each chapter addresses a different fundamental right. One is on religious liberty, one's on free speech, one's on the Second Amendment, and it tells war stories. Many of these landmark cases I helped litigate, and it's stunning, Judge, you know this, but on issue after issue after issue, the big landmark cases, almost all of them are 5-4. We're one
Very
vote
close.
Away from having our fundamental liberties taken away from us.
Senator, I want the public to understand the significance of packing the court that they might do, which in essence gives them another branch of government, of justices running around creating laws that are not passed by Congress. Very quickly.
Well, that's exactly right. There are 9 justices on the court. There have been 9 justices for 150 years. As I said, FDR, he didn't like how the Supreme Court was ruling, so he proposed to pack it and increase it from 9 to 15 justices. And Democrats in Congress said, well, that's a terrible idea. It turns the court into a political body instead of an independent judiciary following the law. Right. Well, that's where today's Democrats are right now, because that's what they want to do. They're mad that President Trump has filled the vacancies that has occurred. They're mad at the American people because they elected President Trump.
And he has every right to do that. Senator Cruz, thank you so much for being with us tonight. We appreciate it. And a Justice Exclusive is ahead tonight. I'll speak candidly with the mother of Kyle Rittenhouse, who's facing